Dear student, today we are in our point. We are discussing properties. Thermal stability decreases gradually from ammonia to bismuthine. Bismuthite. The ammonia is more stable because bond between nitrogen hydrogen is very strong. In phosphine, which is less, in arsenic hydride, antimony, then bismuth hydride. Bismuth hydride easily decomposes at room temperature. So highest stability is of ammonia, and you can see decomposition temperature. For the breaking bond between nitrogen hydrogen, highest temperature needed 1300 Celsius, in phosphine 440, in arsenic hydride 280, in antimony hydride which is 150, and bismuth hydride decomposes at room temperature. The reducing nature increases. Reducing nature means itself experiences oxidation. It means it releases hydrogen. itself પોતાનું ઓક્સિડેશન થાય. ઓક્સિડેશન થવું એટલે ઓક્સિજન એડ થાય કે હાઇડ્રોજન રિમૂવ થાય. So hydrogen removes from here. But ammonia કરતા phosphine, એના કરતા arsenic, then antimony hydride, then bismuth hydride easily releases hydrogen. So more ammonia is weak reducing agent, while arsenic, antimony, bismuth hydride are powerful reducing agent. Means easily releases H plus ion, releases hydrogen from its molecule. Hydrogen bonding is present in ammonia as the electronegativity difference between nitrogen hydrogen is high, and nitrogen hydrogen bond shows a polarity. Out of all the hydride, only ammonia forms intermolecular hydrogen bonding due to high electronegativity of the nitrogen. So bond is polar. So it forms hydrogen bond. In another hydride of group number 15 is not does not form this type of hydrogen bond. The electronegativity of rest of the element is nearly equal to hydrogen. એટલે ફોસ્ફીન ના કેસમાં P અને H છે, આર્સેનિક હાઇડ્રોજન છે, આ બેની ઇલેક્ટ્રોનેગેટિવિટી લગભગ નિયર અબાઉટ સેમ છે. એટલે પ્યોરલી કોવેલેન્ટ છે, નોન પોલર છે. So it not gives a hydrogen bond. Now trihalides. Halide of nitrogen. So first of all is a trihalide. When nitrogen combines with 3 halogen, which is called a trihalide, all the elements of nitrogen family form trihalide. એટલે કે ગ્રુપ નંબર 50 ના બધા જ એલિમેન્ટ્સ 3 હેલોજન સાથે કમ્બાઈન થઈ ટ્રાઇહેલાઇડ આપે છે. All the trihalide of nitrogen family have pyramidal structure. Yes. In group number 15, number of electrons are 5 in outermost orbit. So 3 combines with halogen and 2 remains as a lone pair. So here bonding pair 3, lone pair 1. So hybridization is sp3. So arrangement of electron is tetrahedral. but by geometrical shape which is pyramidal. Except BiF3, BiF3 સિવાય all other halides are covalent. તો BiF3 કેવું થાય? Ionic હોય છે. BiF3 is ionic. Reason for that electronegativity of fluorine is high and bismuth is metal by nature. એટલે મેટલ છે આ 3 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન લૂઝ કરે તો આ 3 કે ગેઇન કરે તો અહીંયા કોવેલેન્ટ નહીં પણ આયોનિક બોન્ડ હોય છે. આ BiF3 સિવાયના બધા ટ્રાયહેલાઇડ છે એમાં કોવેલેન્ટ બોન્ડ હોય છે, કોવેલેન્ટ કેરેક્ટર હોય છે. of trihalide decrease in going down the group and covalent character decreases down the group from nitrogen to phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. The trihalide માં top to bottom જાય તો covalent nature decrease થાય એટલે NX nitrogen trihalide, phosphorus trihalide covalent nature હોય છે. પછી arsenic, antimony, toluene, bismuth covalent character decreases. As we go down the group, the tendency to form ionic bond increases. કારણ કે top to bottom જઈએ એટલે metallic character increase થાય. તો metal forms ionic bond, so metallic character increases. એટલે ionic bond છે increasing થાય. Trihalide of nitrogen family except NF3 and BiF3 get easily hydrolyzed by water. એટલે NF3 highly stable is not reacting with water and BiF3 પણ stable છે. આમાં totally covalent bond, આમાં totally ionic bond. એટલે એ બે રિએક્શન નહીં આપે વોટર સાથે. બાકીના બધા ટ્રાયહેલાઇડ્સ react with water. You can see NCl3 when react with water, 3 mole of water, 1 nitrogen with 3 hydrogen gives NH3. Now 3 chloride, remaining 3 hydrogen and 3 oxygen, so hypochlorous acid. NCl3 when we dissolve into water, it reacts with water, gives ammonia gas, and reaction with water is called hydrolysis. Hypochlorous acid. PCl3 react with 3 mole water. It also releases 3 mole of hydrochloric acid and H3PO3, which is phosphorus acid. But arsenic chloride when react with water gives arsenic oxide and 6 chlorine, 6 hydrogen, releases as a 6 mole of hydrochloric acid. Now antimony chloride react with water, gives antimony oxychloride, 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorine, so removes as a 2HCl, 1 chlorine remaining, antimony oxygen, so antimony oxychloride. BiCl3 react with water, releases 2 mole of HCl, BiONCl, bismuth oxychloride it gives. Now tendency toward hydrolysis follow the order. Tendency toward hydrolysis toward the order. એટલે વોટર સાથે રિએક્ટિંગ નેચર નાઇટ્રોજનનું હાઈ છે. Reason electronegativity high, small in size, then size increases, electronegativity decreases, nature with reacting of water is decreases. Nitrogen, the phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth and water સાથે reacting nature decrease થાય છે. Trihalide of phosphorus, arsenic and antimony, particularly fluoride, it is a Lewis acid. Arsenic, antimony અને phosphorus એના જે હેલાઇડ છે ટ્રાયહેલાઇડ, it behaves like a Lewis acid. You can see in the antimony NH2NP3, D is vacant, so it gains electron pair due to vacant d orbital. So whenever antimony is combined with 3 fluorine, 1 lone pair and d orbital is vacant, so in the vacant orbital it gains electron pair. So antimony trifluoride convert into antimony pentafluoride, -1 so it gives complex આપે છે. Lewis acid એટલે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન પેર ગેઇન કરવાનું નેચર હોય એને Lewis acid કહેવાય. તો એન્ટીમની ટ્રાઇફ્લોરાઇડ છે એમાં આ જે બે ડી ઓર્બિટલ્સ છે એમાં ફ્લોરાઇડ પાસેથી આવતા ઇલેક્ટ્રોન પેર ગેઇન કરી કોઓર્ડિનેટ કોવેલેન્ટ બોન્ડ બનાવશે. So which is Lewis acid? એટલે કયા Lewis acid હોય? Antimony, then phosphorus and arsenic. And trihalides are Lewis acid. Now pentahalides. Nitrogen does not form pentahalide. 10 times asked question. Nitrogen does not form pentahalide. This is because nitrogen does not have d orbital in its valence shell. Yani outermost shell માં d orbital હોતી નથી. Electronic configuration of nitrogen 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So outermost is second orbit. In 2s there are 2. In 2p there are 3. So 3 unpaired electron. D to chaining promotion is not possible. So only participate with another 3 chlorine and maximum it forms 4. Fourth one coordinate covalent bond. So it not giving pentahalide. કારણ કે 3 જ unpaired electrons છે. એમાં 2 electron છે એ as a pair છે. 3 જ unpaired છે. એટલે maximum 3 covalent bond and fourth one is coordinate covalent. So pentahalide is not possible. આથી electron promotion થવા માટે D તો હોવી જોઈએ ને. D is absent there. Phosphorus forms phosphorus pentafluoride, phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus pentabromide and pentaiodide. Yes, in phosphorus it is possible after neon 10 3s2 3p3 3d is vacant, there are 2 in 3s, 3 in 3p and D is vacant, 1 electron moves here. So 5 electrons are unpaired. So it has capacity to form 5 covalent bond. So phosphorus forms PF5, PCl5, PBr5 and Pi5. Phosphorus pentachloride is the most important of the pentahalide. આ બધામાં PCl5 સૌથી વધારે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે. Here you can see shape of the PCl5 is a trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal shape of it. Shape of PCl5 is trigonal bipyramidal. 3 chlorine on same plane, equatorial, and all are at 120 degree. 2 chlorine is perpendicular. So in our book given, out of 5 bond, 3 are same and short. The equatorial bond છે એક જ પ્લેન 202 picometer, but these two bond length 240 picometer. તો આ બે bond long છે. why? આ 90 degree ઉપર છે, આ બધા 120 degree ઉપર હોય છે. Two bonds are at 120 degree and these are at 90 degree. So repulsion more between electron. So chlorine is far. Axial chlorine છે દૂર હોય છે. આ trigonal અને pyramid. One pyramid upward, one pyramid downward. So trigonal bipyramidal shape of a PCl5. Phosphorus forms PF5, phosphorus pentafluoride, phosphorus pentachloride, pentabromide, pentaiodide. Phosphorus pentachloride is the most important out of 4 pentahalide. Arsenic forms only arsenic pentafluoride, arsenic pentachloride. It's not forming arsenic pentabromide and pentaiodide. કારણ કે બ્રોમિન આયોડિનની સાઇઝ હ્યુજ છે, એટલે 5 એટમ્સ around arsenic રહી શકે નહીં. Antimony forms also antimony pentafluoride, antimony pentachloride. Antimony is not forming pentabromide or not forming pentaiodide. Bismuth also does not form stable pentahalide due to inert pair effect. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. 83. Xenon 54, 6s2, 6p3, 5d10 and 4f14. So 6p3 and 6s ના 2 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન છે, 6p ના 3 છે. તો 83 પ્રોટોનનું આ પેડ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ઉપર એટ્રેક્શન ખૂબ જ વધી જાય. એટલે ટોપ ટુ બોટમ જાવ એટલે નંબર ઓફ પ્રોટોન્સ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય, એટલે જે પેડ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન હોય એના ઉપર એટ્રેક્શન હાઈ થઈ જાય. ડ્યુ ટુ ધેટ +3 સ્ટેટ આપે, એટલે બિસ્મથ +3 ઓક્સિડેશન સ્ટેટ વાળું કમ્પાઉન્ડ આપે, +5 વાળું પોસિબલ નથી ડ્યુ ટુ ઇનર્ટ પેર ઇફેક્ટ. Bismuth also does not form stable pentahalide due to inert pair effect. The bismuth છે હવે મેટલ છે, તો એ +5 ઓક્સિડેશન સ્ટેટ અનસ્ટેબલ થઈ જાય. 5 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન રિમૂવ કરવા more energy needed હોય, so it gives +3 oxidation having compound bismuth forms only BiF5 due to small size. Bismuth pentafluoride આપે. Why? Electronegativity high of fluorine. भाई क्लोराइड, ब्रोमाइड के आयोडाइड नहीं आपे. The central atom of the pentahalide, such as PCl5, SbCl5, exhibit sp3d hybridization. You can see here total number of bonding pairs are 5. Align condition. Bonding pair are 5 like this. Total bonding pair are 5. Otherwise, neon 10, 3s2, 3p3, 3d vacant. 1 electron moves from 3s to 3d. So sp3d hybridization occurs. Yes, there is sp3 hybridization. Central atom experiences sp3 hybridization, so pentahalide have a trigonal bipyramidal shape. Underline it. Pentahalides are generally thermally less stable than PCl3. So on heating, pentahalide dissociate to give trihalide. The PCl5 dissociate at high temperature and convert into PCl3. Here 3 chloride are equatorial and 2 are axial. So axial bond is long, so easily breaks. So it gives PCl3 and releases chlorine gas. PCl5 is molecular in gas and liquid phase, but in solid state present as tetra and hexa coordinate species. PCl5 છે as a molecule. In gaseous state હોય ત્યારે PCl5, liquid હોય ત્યારે PCl5, but solid હોય તો PCl5 plus PCl5. So one releases chlorine after releasing PCl plus 4 and again करे तो PCl6 minus. Yes, this type of species હોય છે hexa coordinate species થઈ જાય. આ tetra એટલે 1 phosphorus with 4 chlorine tetra and 1 phosphorus with 6 chlorine means hexa. Understood? Plus 5 and minus 4, so plus 1. This type of structure in solid state. Line C is a master. PCl5 in the gaseous state is a PCl5. In the liquid PCl5. In the solid, a tetra and hexa coordinate complex स्वरूपे હોય છે. But PBr5 is dissociate into PBr4 plus and Br minus. Yes, after releasing of one bromine from PBr5, it gives PBr4 plus and Br minus. PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride, fumes react with water, gives phosphorus oxychloride and hydrochloric acid. धुमाड़ो आपसे 2 hydrogen with 2 chlorine gives 2 HCl. 1 phosphorus, 1 oxygen and 3 chlorine gives phosphorus oxychloride. Phosphorus pentachloride with 3 mole of water, it gives phosphoric acid H3PO4. Here is mistake, PCl5 with the water, it gives H3PO4 and the hydrochloric acid. Phosphorus pentachloride with water gives H3PO4. Here is mistake in this equation. Here is mistake. PCl5 plus water gives POCl3, but POCl3 plus 3 mole of water gives H3PO4 and 3 chlorine, 3 hydrogen, 3 mole of HCl. So PCl5 plus water gives POCl3 plus 2 HCl. Understood? So POCl3 cut. So PCl5 plus 4 more water gives phosphoric acid and 5 mole HCl. Like this. Now oxy acid of nitrogen family. Oxy acid. Yes, what is oxy acid? When the atom combining with oxygen and same atom also combines with the OH group, which is called the oxy acid. Whenever any atom combines with oxygen and OH group, so that forms oxy acid. Oxy acid of nitrogen family. એટલે આપણે nitrogen family ના oxy acid જોશું. The acids which contain oxy anions are called oxy acid. Oxy anion એટલે oxygen negative ion હોય છે oxy acid કહેવાય. Except bismuth, all other element of group number 15 form oxy acid. ગ્રુપ નંબર 15 માં બિસ્મથ સિવાયના બધા એલિમેન્ટ ઓક્સી એસિડ આપે છે. સો ફર્સ્ટ હાઇપોનાઇટ્રસ એસિડ H2N2O2. Hyponitrous acid N double bond N OH. This is not given in a book. Oxidation state of nitrogen. N વચ્ચેનો bond છે એ polar નથી. -1 સો +1 -1 સો +1. Basicity 2 આમાંથી 1 અને અહીંથી 2. હાઇડ્રોજન ડાયરેક્ટ ઓક્સિજન સાથે કનેક્ટેડ હોય રિલીઝ થાય એટલે 2H પ્લસ રિલીઝ કરે એટલે basicity 2. pKa is very high and highly explosive. તરત ધડાકા સાથે સળગી ઉઠે છે. Now nitrous acid, oxidation number +3, structure OHNOO, oxidation number OH -1 -2 +3, basicity 1, monobasic only 1, H plus ion releases. pKa value is 3.3. Unstable and weak acid. એટલે unstable છે ને weak acid છે. Nitric acid, oxidation number is +5. Yes, here OH -1 -2, so -5, so +5. It releases only one H plus ion. So monobasic value of pKa is 3, stable and strong acid. Now per nitric acid, HNO4, here also +5, OOH, peroxy group here, -2, peroxy is -1, so here +1. આ ઓક્સાઇડ છે, આ પેરોક્સાઇડ એટલે -1 થાય, એટલે 1 2 3 4 5, અને એક H+ રિલીઝ કરે મોનોબેઝિક એસિડ, આ પેરોક્સી ગ્રુપ છે અહીંયા. અનસ્ટેબલ એન્ડ એક્સપ્લોઝિવ, અનસ્ટેબલ છે ને ખૂબ જ સળગી જાય તેવો છે, ધડાકા કરે તેવો છે. બાય, we will meet in our next lecture.